incredible installation. Without further ado, I'm going to hand the floor over to Alderman Lennon to say a few words.
Good morning, everybody. Thanks for having me. It's an honor to be an alderman in the city of Berwyn, but be an alderman for MacNeal Hospital. So breast cancer is the second most common cancer in women. At some point in their lives, 1 in 8 women will develop breast cancer. 3D chromosynthesis is considered the most advanced and detailed imaging technique. The local Berwyn community in Chicago area will now have access to the most advanced imaging technology available. I'm going to turn it over now to Pierre. Go from there. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Good to see my friends here. Sometimes in healthcare, we work so hard and have our heads down. We don't take a moment to celebrate. This is a big deal for our community. I do want to say that Loyola Medicine is committed to continue to investing. The last time we were together, we were celebrating. What were we celebrating? We're celebrating our ENT open house. I asked Carissa to come and say a few words. She comes into my office full of energy. And she said, "Here, I have a list for you." She said, "We need to upgrade our equipment and have more support." And she just dropped the mic.
So good morning and thank you for joining us. This is truly a wonderful day as we reach this milestone at Mighty MacNeal Loyola Medicine. These new breast imaging units are really the newest and most advanced imaging technology available, and it will detect cancer earlier, which is really the key to battling this disease. This has been a long time in coming and made possible by our unwavering commitment to provide the highest level of care in the local community and Chicago area. So I'm really honored also to work alongside some wonderful mammo and ultrasound technologists and physicians. We have Dr. Bozosi here today. And I also want to thank and acknowledge the leadership of Loyola Medicine and MacNeal, and really all the faculty and staff who've supported this. So thank you, and we look forward to serving your patients with the best care.
Ready to cut it.
All right, 1, 2.
Got one job. Excellent. Thank you so much.
So good morning. I am Mishka Smith and the manager of spiritual care here at MacNeal. And I want to offer this invitation and blessing for you this morning. In this moment of celebration, let us offer a heartfelt blessing, extending our gratitude for the advancement of technology that brings us closer to a world without breast cancer. We are grateful for the unwavering commitment to providing the best care and support to women throughout their journey. May the presence of this technology be a beacon of hope, casting light upon the path of healing for countless women who will benefit from its capabilities. We ask for your blessing upon the dedicated staff who will operate this machine. Grant them wisdom, skill, and compassion as they carry out their vital work. Surround them with hope, love, compassion, and the warmth of community. Amen. Shalom. Amen. And Ashe.